Rajasekaran. Good evening. I'm Thomas Rajasekaran. I'm heading the cement services in TKIL Industries Limited, formerly known as Tyson Group Industria India Pvt.Ltd. Limited. As we are into the business of cement, energy, sugar, and material handling departments. So we are doing the sustainable industrial development with relevant to the current industrial development. So that is what we are doing in TKIL Industries. We are operating from Pune. So we are 78 years old company, and we have a workshop in Hyderabad as well. So we are, the quality, and we are into quality and the on-time deliveries, and we are our prime agenda. We were expecting a good footfall, but it is slight lesser than compared to the last year. And the expo is good, well organized, and the discussion topics were good, and it's quite good. So, thank you.